Another how-to video on youtube.com/home edition. In this video, I'll show you how to apply a quick fix to fix the problem of sending photos or video clips or audio recordings through your iPhone. If you get this problem where you can't send these things, it times out, says message delivery failure. So first I'll demonstrate that I can't send multimedia messages, and then I'll show you the quick fix to fix the problem. Okay, I'm going to show you that I cannot send multimedia messages. So let me just choose a picture. Let me just pick something. Okay. So I'll choose this and I'll try sending it. Now I do have multimedia messaging on my plan, and I have it enabled in my general settings, and I could receive pictures, but for some reason I can't send them. So I will be trying something. I'm going to try to reset all my settings and see if it fixes the problem. Because as you can see, it looks like it's about to send. So it looks like it's going to send a message. Okay. But as you can see from the earlier message, it says not delivered, and I don't know. I could try again or send to email address instead. This shouldn't be happening, so we'll get back to this message. Let's just go to the settings. So if I click on settings, I go to messages, send as SMS is enabled, MMS messaging, which is multimedia SMS, I'm assuming, and that's enabled, as you can see. So let's just go back to messages, and as you can see, it's still sending. So let's see if we could fix this issue. I think we want to go to general. Reset. Okay. Location and privacy, reset home screen layout, reset keyboard dictionary, reset network settings. Let's click on reset network settings. Okay. So as you can see, the phone is rebooting. Okay, great. Alright. So not delivered. Let me try it again now. So let me choose a picture. Okay. So here's a picture of my cat. Choose this. And just click send. iMessage needs to be, oh, okay. So apparently after that reset, it disabled my iMessage settings. So I'll go over here. iMessage is enabled. So that's strange. So now it's sending the message, and it seems to be going quickly now, so I'm assuming that it is working. And oh my god, it has finally sent the message. So as you can see, it says delivered, which is awesome. But one thing, it did reset my network settings, so this shouldn't be a problem. Let me connect to my Wi-Fi. Okay, Wi-Fi is connected. So let me choose another picture. Okay, let's see. Let's choose this picture. Click send. And it is going quickly. Oh wow. Interesting. Over wireless, it doesn't seem to want to send. Very interesting. Okay. So to confirm this, we'll disable wireless. And I'm not sure it's going to try sending. Let's see, can I click on that? Let me see if I could delete that. Okay. Alright, so I'm in 4G mode. So I got a picture of basically the iPhone keyboard, so I'm going to choose that and send. So this will be a strange problem. It sends in 4G, but it doesn't send when it's wireless. Yeah, it sent it no problem. Interesting. Well, if you can't send multimedia messages, you can't send your pictures, turn off your wireless and it seems to fix the problem. But when I figure out how to have these messages sent over Wi-Fi, I'll make another video. Thanks for watching Home Edition. Be sure to subscribe so you can be updated whenever I post an update to this video. And